Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we are centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. And when you arrive, that pretty flag and a patriotic horse underneath it, you are at Prestige. And taking a quick minute or two to introduce a recent trade-in and a fresh arrival. This is a 2017 Ford Expedition, and this is the EL, the extended version. We actually, I believe, have a 13 model that I seen on our inventory sheet this morning. As you can see, the condition of it is very nice. It has an upgraded limited edition package, so you can see the limited wheels are very cool. This is a one-owner Ford Expedition, and as I mentioned before, the limited trim. I think when I looked, there was 21 or 22 CARFAX service records, factory trailer tow package, and like the Suburbans, the Expedition ELs have that extra room in the back, so that if you've got coolers and whatnot, you've got some extra room. Sunroof, steering wheel controls, power seat, room for everybody in the back. I think there's 6 or 8 seat belts, but just a nice vehicle that we just got in. 17 Ford Expedition EL, power seats, all the buttons. And now available here at Prestige Auto Sales. We love trades. We have some great national lenders, some fantastic local credit unions, and we've got some awesome local credit unions, and even have Chris Credit for families with new or rebuilding credit. This is Chris at Prestige in Ocala. Just taking a quick minute to highlight a fresh arrival. 17 Ford Expedition EL, one owner CARFAX, 21, 22 service records, and just a nice family vehicle that we've got available today. 694-1234. We'll see you at the store.